Trading can feel confusing, but what if it could be simple? No stress, no guessing. Just clear signals that tell you exactly what to do. That's what this AI bot gives you. Real-time signals, fast, accurate, and easy to follow. So instead of doubt, you trade with confidence. Let me show you how it works. Our first trade is a buy on AUD/JPY. The bot sent the signal instantly, no confusion, no hesitation. I just followed it. Right after, we got a strong buy on GBP/JPY. Same thing, a clear, precise signal I could trust. No overthinking, just execution. Here's the thing, this isn't just about signals. It's about trading without stress. No more guessing. No more emotional mistakes. Just clear, confident decisions backed by AI. If you're tired of trading blind and want something that finally works, click the link below and get instant access today.